Hi everyone, this is Arturo Benavides from the Benavides Law Firm. So I make these videos every so often. I'll post kind of an answer to some of these questions that I'm seeing. And today I'm in my office and I had a few people come in and actually be surprised at the answers that I gave them. The question that I got a couple times today is, can I file a petition for my mom or dad? And the simple answer is yes. If a person is over the age of 21, is a U.S. citizen, he or she can file an I-130 family petition for his or her mom or dad. But there's so much more to that. There's so much more that you need to look at instead of just filing an I-130 family petition. For example, if the mom or dad is living in the United States undocumented, you need to look at whether a provisional waiver is required for unlawful presence. In both of the cases I had today, that was the main problem. And I say it's a main problem because in order to qualify for provisional waiver for unlawful presence, the applicant, in this case mom or dad, needs to show extreme hardship to a spouse or a parent. So let me repeat that. The applicant needs to show extreme hardship to a spouse or a parent. And the spouse or the parent needs to be a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. So in many of these cases where a 22-year-old son wants to file for mom or dad, the case will not see the end of that process. In other words, there won't be an approval issued because the applicant, mom or dad, is not eligible for that provisional waiver. Another issue you need to look at is whether the petition is for mom or dad. And the reason is because under immigration law, the way dads are treated, it's a lot different than the way moms are treated. If someone is filing for father, you better hope that mom and dad were married when that child was born. In other words, kids born out of wedlock have more of an uphill battle in trying to petition for dad. Kids born out of wedlock need to prove that the kid was legitimized before reaching the age of 18 by dad. So this could be tax records, it could be school records, it could be really anything showing that dad actually had custody of the child or helped raise the child and was financially responsible for the child. So you can see there's a lot more you need to look at before just filing an I-130 for mom or dad. There's a lot of information out there on the internet, on TV that I hear and that I see where it's presented as a simple, hey, your mom or dad live in the United States illegally, you're a U.S. citizen, you could file the petition for him or her. And I'm here to tell you that it's not that basic. But if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. The information is listed on this video, and we'll be talking soon.